Hello and welcome back, Real Man's Garage. We're outside today digging in the dirt. We have the infamous, what we've had for a long time, the DCP320 from DeWALT, the 20-volt electric cordless pruner. Don't put your fingers in here and squeeze the trigger. I'll put my original video of it up here, and that's when we got this 3 years ago. Remember that, 3 years ago. Unfortunately, 13 months into the original warranty, the motor burned out for some reason, and we had to change the brushes on it. I'll put that video up here as well. Then we got the replacement that's cataloged in that video that I just posted. So this is the one that they replaced it with, and you can see the guard on it. I've hardly ever used it. That's 2 years ago. I got this 2 years ago. Okay, this is the original that I changed the brushes for $1.65 Canadian. Okay, now it's great. It's great for doing little things, trimming up trees, you know, trimming up trees, even a little bit bigger ones. Okay. No problem at all. What I do use this one for, and I'll try and give you a close-up here of this one if I can. It's mangled and beaten up, and because why? I use it for rooting. Okay, for rooting. If I want to dig, especially around here, you can't dig without hitting a pine root or a maple root or something. You want to dig a hole, you want to plant a flower or whatever. It's almost impossible. But like this thing here, this little root here that you see here, I just dig underneath with the claw. Okay, dig underneath with the claw and dig it out. Amazing. And this is the old one. See how beat up it is and dirty and everything else? Yeah. And it still works. Unbelievable. And we've used this for 2 summers. There was a bad ice storm at my son-in-law's place, and we went and cut cedars down with it and all kinds of stuff. It's been through the mill and back. And as I said, I dig underneath. Okay. Here we go. And take this stuff out. It's really good. And I still have this one here that's virtually brand new. Sounds different, okay, because we kind of jimmy rigged the brushes on this one. Okay, but hey, it works. It's great. No complaints. One of the best tools you can have in your arsenal if you're outdoors whatsoever. It cuts everything. Not a problem at all. Beautiful. And if this gets dull, it's the bottom blade here gets dull. Just file it off with a file and you're back in business again. Okay? The DCP320 from DeWALT. Cordless 20-volt electric pruner. Amazing. They're absolutely amazing. I highly, highly recommend anybody that's in the DIY industry, weekend warrior, whatever you want to call it, pick one up. They're under $150 Canadian. You can't go wrong. You really can't go wrong. They're absolutely amazing. Love them. This one's been through the mill. This one's been lightly used and it's still brand new. There you go. Just thought I'd catch you up after 3 years, 2 years with a bush fix. And this one, 2 years of light use, and it's still brand new. There you go. Till next time, take care. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, get outside, do some gardening, do some yard work. What more do you need?